What's up, guys? Infamous Spiral back with stash update number 2 of 2023. Not gonna do a full one, just gonna keep it nice and simple this year, but let's dive right to it. So I have a box here full of fountains that I got for my kid, pretty much. We picked up Welcome to America. We have Glowing Lotus, Backyard Dazzler. We have Sky Chaser. We have a Lucky Koi. We have one of these Skull Flower fountains. Quiet as a Mouse. We have a Super Fountain. We have another smaller one. We have this cool looking one that I needed to get just because, like the graphics. Grab this Bee's Knees. Let's see what this one is. Peacekeeper. And some lightsabers. This really caught my attention. It's a magic wheel. Comes with a stick in there. You poke the circle in the middle. You light it and it spins. Shows you the effect right here. I was gifting these to a couple friends. See, got some sparklers. Got a cone, ice cream cone. Picked up this Liberty fountain. Got this space station. This nice little airplane. Got a butterfly and these unicorns. Picked up some consumer for my brother because he's a big horror fan. Gotta be a good brother. And pretty much that's it for all the smaller stuff. Picked up some of these 6s, 5s, crackers, some rockets, and very excited to pick this one up. Almost didn't get it, but it was worth the wait. Yeah. Picked up this new one. And got the other new one. And picked up these shells. All the new shells that came out. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Last of the pickup. You guys be safe. Have a safe 4th. Stay out.